Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, let's learn about the Odoo Scaffold command. The Scaffold command is a tool that comes with Odoo's Odoo-bin script. It helps you to create a new Odoo module without having to make all the folders and files manually. So why do we use it? Every Odoo module needs the same basic structure. It includes the files like manifest.py, init.py, and the folders such as the models, views, and security. So creating these files every time is repetitive. Instead, you can use the scaffold command and Odoo will generate the entire module structure for you in just few seconds. And this has got several benefits. It saves your time, it follows Odoo's standard module structure, it creates sample files that you can edit and use for your own module, and it helps you to avoid missing important files. So let's see how can we manage the Odoo how can we just create a module using Odoo scaffold command? So first, we just need to get into the Odoo over here, like Odoo 19. Okay, so in order to get into the Odoo 19 folder, I'll be providing the command cd, and from here you can choose the folder into which you want to enter. So as you just move on to that, you can see that we have the Odoo-bin file inside the Odoo 19. So as you just drag down, you can find that we have the Odoo-bin. Okay, so we just need to we just need to list the files in this. Okay, so for that, what I'll be doing is that again, as like upon clicking on enter, we can just get into the Odoo 19. Now I just want to list the files inside the Odoo 19. So I'll be providing ls as the command and click on enter. You can see that we have got number of folders and files over here, and now you can find that we have the Odoo bin. So we'll be providing the command /Odoo-bin. So this is the way we just need to provide the command, and currently we are just going to use the Odoo-bin of Odoo 19. So you can see that the name is Odoo-bin, that's the file name. So you just need to specify it over here. Now you can provide the command over here as scaffold. That's the command, and you can provide the name of the module. So I'll be providing the name of the module as college ERP. Okay, and we need to specify the location into which we need to create the module. So in this case, as you just move on to the Odoo, here you can see that we have the custom add-ons over here. So I'll be getting the path from here and I'll be creating the module inside this. So I'll be using Control Shift C in order to get the path, and here I'll be providing the path by using the Control Shift V. So once it's done, you can click on enter, and within seconds you can see that Odoo will be creating a skeleton structure for the custom modules over here. So as I just unfold this, you can see that the college ERP with the files such as the important files such as the manifest.py, init, views, security, then models, demo, and controllers have been created over here. So we know while we as we are just working as a developer, we need to work with different modules from scratch. So in such cases, you don't need to create everything manually. You can simply use a scaffold command, and that will create the module structure, basic structure over here. Now, as you just move on to the manifest file over here, you can see that the name has been given over here. Now, under the summary, you can specify the summary, the description, the author, and everything, which means the scaffold command will basically provide you the skeleton structure of a module. It will not develop the entire module, but that creates the basic structure. Now you just need to run this in the you just need to get this in the apps right in your database. So for that, what you have to do is you just need to specify the path under which that you have created the module. So in this case, we know the module come under custom add-ons. So I just need to get the path of custom add-ons, and I'll be using Control Shift C, and we just need to separate the path with a comma, and I'll be providing it over here. Now we can run our run the file over here, like the odoo.conf. And we can just move on to the database. We just need to update the app list in order to get the created app in the app list. So once it's done, you can search for college over here, and you can see that we have successfully created a module structure using the scaffold command in Odoo. So upon clicking on activate, you can see that the module will be getting activated. And if you just want to know uh, what all we have just given under the college ERP, you can just move on to the module info, and under the module info you can see that we haven't specified the category, and you can see we need to provide the description, the summary, and everything, the company name. And upon moving on to the technical data, you can see that we have the base module which is being installed, and under the install features we haven't created any views or menus or defined any reports over here. So when you just create the menus only, you will be getting the module over here. So that's how we make use of this scaffold command in order to create a module in Odoo. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.